We visited the Zippo Case Museum in Bradford, Pennsylvania. They have Zippo lighters instead of streetlights. And the Zippo car is on display.
Wave Mary, say hi.
We enjoyed the car so much, we thought you might like to see more of it. It's still pandemic times. Zippo is worldwide, but it's an American institution. Zippo art and displays about Zippo history. Putting Zippos on cars was so popular, they gave them to their district managers to use on their own cars in the 50s. Like this one.
I'm Kathy Brennan. It seems sure it was either Alice or Lopez. Which is why the mail never gets delivered to the right place in this town. Oh, I'm sorry, Smoke. Thank you. Did you want to see Kathy about something? Well, not exactly.
Zippo was seen in a lot of movies. That click is unmistakable. And of course, Zippos and rock and roll. It's the lighter you used at the concerts. Zippo played a big part in World War II. Did you know that Zippo stopped producing lighters for the commercial market and only made them for the armed forces? And we saw a vet with this service dog. John was fascinated by the engraving. And they fixed these right there. It's also the Case Knife Museum, which also started in Bradford, Pennsylvania. They made more than just pocket knives. They have some big knives. Really big knives. Bye. Click like and subscribe to see more of John and Mary doing stuff. didn't know I was supposed to say bye.